Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on autoplay videos on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines and now click settings and now click shut settings and now click animations. Here you will find it, autoplay videos, click on it and it should be turned on, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.